Welcome back, people. We've got another new video for you guys here again today, and today I'm running on the GoPro Hero Black 11 or GoPro Hero 11 Black, which has got the LCD screen at the back and at the front, or LED screen. I don't even know what it is, but anyway, we are recording in 5.3K resolution with 60 FPS. And today I'm going to show you a little bit of the game that we love to play on the channel. Now, sometimes we show reviews on cameras and bikes and electric scooters, electric bikes and all random stuff, but I do like to play this game a lot. So I've set the game resolution at 1080p, well, 1920 times 1080, and we got it at 74 Hertz. The graphics on this game I've got as ultra. And as you can see, everything there is maxed out. I cannot make this game look any better, even if I did try. I'm gonna grab a license there real quick for this game, and then let's jump in it. So this game is Fishing Planet. But as I said, I wanted to record this on the GoPro. Now, the good thing about this GoPro camera is that you can run up to some serious high FPS if you're doing it at 2.7K, 1080, and obviously you can change it as well if you're at 4K, but I wanted to do it at 5.3, and the reason why is because I want to see myself how good it looks, and it does look absolutely beautiful. I'm going to jump on the boat. I'm going to go to the daytime, morning time, just so that way we can see that little bit clearer. I'm pressing all the wrong buttons here. All right, midday should do good. There we go. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. Of course, if you've got any comments, do leave it in the comments section below. I'll always try my best to respond. Don't forget to smack that like button as well, and of course subscribe for all different updates on games and obviously bikes, cameras and just random stuff. I'm going to jump on this boat here. Let's get onto the boat. There you go. Like I say, I'm not making any edits into this at all, because I want to, however this picture turns out, I want it to remain that way, so that way there's no edits. So what you see here is how it's going to be on your GoPro Hero 11 Black. Now, I am going to be using this GoPro for unboxing videos, and of course I'm going to be using this for when I'm out on my electric bikes and stuff, and I'm riding around on the electric bikes. I'm going to be using this camera. I haven't actually used this camera at all yet, although at the moment I actually don't have an electric bike at the minute, so the cash flow is not the best, but I will be getting some other different electric bikes onto the channel at some point, and of course then when I do, that is exactly when I'm gonna obviously use this camera. And this has also got a hyper view, it's got stabilization and stuff, and of course the camera can rotate as well. So if you rotate the camera, you can do it so the camera rotates with you, so that way your picture don't end up sideways. I hope that kind of makes sense, but yeah. Anyway, look how beautiful this looks. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just I'm going to get one fish. I'm going to quickly get one fish on and just reel it in. I just want to see how good the fish look when we get one. All right, so let's jump off the boat here. So I'm not using any extensions on this camera at all. And when I say extensions, I'm not using any wired mic or Bluetooth mic. I'm using the actual mic from the GoPro itself. Have not changed anything to do with the picture, nor any mic or any external added things. Okay, I'm gonna need to. Actually, do you know what? I can. Let's just do it now here, right here, in the daytime, because it looks a lot better in the daytime. Now, of course, I am recording my screen. Now my monitor is yeah, it's not 4K. Now if the monitor was 4K as well, recording 4K off a GoPro that we're recording with 5.3K would look absolutely out of this world. But look how beautiful that looks. Look at the water. That water looks so realistic. That's unbelievable. It looks really good on the game itself, but I'm looking at this through the camera itself, and looking through the camera, that just, yeah, it actually does look better looking through the camera rather than actually looking through the monitor itself. I'm going to change some bait there. Let's put on some large liver. I just want to grab us at least one fish, so that way we can look at that in high detail and see how good that looks. I play this game a lot. It's very family friendly, so it's a free game as well. It doesn't actually cost anything to purchase this game, although you can buy in-game purchases, boats and DLCs and extra add-ons and all that kind of stuff. You can play this game for completely free. It doesn't cost anything at all, and it ranges from all different age groups as well. My kids play it, and my kids are around the age of 8 and under. And then also I play it, which I'm 35 and my dad plays it and he's 62. And yeah, as I said, the age group does not really matter at all. So it's a good game. Maybe check it out. Gonna see if we can try and get this fish in. I wanna zoom into this fish and see what it looks like when we zoom into it. I'm not looking for the biggest fish, and just any fish will do at this point. I'm going to move away from those alarms a little bit, because they do get a little bit irritating after a while. They do drive you a little crazy. So we got a Nile perch on. Let's have a look at this in a bit more detail. Well, that definitely looks beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Let's change the camera view real quick. I can't believe how good that looks. Zoomed out. Let's zoom all the way in. There you go. That's the most that I can zoom in. That does look really that looks really realistic. That's unbelievable. That is really, really good. And as I said, we are recording on the GoPro, and of course I don't have the very best of monitors, and of course this isn't the highest game that I could probably crank up, to be honest. There's a lot of other games out there that run a lot higher picture quality than what I'm playing here right now, but I wanted to play this one because I like this game, but I also wanted to play it because, as I said, most important of all, I want to see how this turns out. I'm interested to see how good this picture quality is going to be on the GoPro. So my old videos that I used to make on the electric bikes riding around outside, and the unboxing videos and stuff that we've done, I always did that on the GoPro Hero 7, on the GoPro Hero 7 Black, which had the LCD display. Now this one's better because it's got more stabilization and stuff, but if I pick up the camera and I shake it, so I've got the camera in my hand, I'm going to shake it. I'm shaking really fast, left and right, and that stabilization, that looks really good just through the camera. So I can't wait to see what that looks like when I actually upload it. That's going to be interesting when we get on those bikes and we're hitting those dirt trails and we're using this camera, see how well it holds up. Cool, it looks like we got a fish on here that's fighting well. It's definitely trying to stop me from reeling in that last little bit there. I don't even think I'm going to bother to even buy an extra mic for this camera. Normally I always buy an extra mic for every camera that I buy, so that way the audio sounds good, but for this one I don't actually even need to bother to buy a mic. I'm just going to record straight from the GoPro itself every single time, because the sound quality is really good, the picture quality is absolutely amazing. Now because we're recording in 5.3K at 60 FPS, of course that's going to make your battery drain that little bit faster, and of course it's definitely going to consume a lot more memory, so make sure you've got a good sized memory card. At the minute I've only got a 64 gig memory card in mine right now. That one looks really nice as well, so I definitely do need a bigger memory card myself, that's for sure. Alright, well, that's going to be pretty much it for this one. Just wanted to see what it looked like for the game. And as I said, we are going to end up taking this camera out and about on our trails and our unboxing videos and stuff. So we should have better picture quality. Not should, we will have better picture quality. And at the same time, look at that. At the same time, now when I'm riding, we're not going to have that shaking motion as much. That's most important. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, leave your comments below, let me know what you think of it. We catch you people again soon for some more fun and games. I am out.